Everybody, I am back again. Thank you for coming back to my channel to watch. I am doing some more Michael's Grab Box unboxing videos from my local Michael's here in Austin, Texas. Full disclaimer, I got these boxes at the very end of January, like the very end. So regardless when I have time to post this video, please know that I got these boxes. I purchased them in the very end of January and they are full of Christmas stuff. So my Michael's waited a full 4 weeks, month after Christmas, after their sale, to put these boxes together. So just keep that in mind if you are ever looking for boxes at your local Michael's, that this was purchased at the end of January. So I'm going to be unboxing 2 at a time for you, and let's go. So here is the stash. Even the dog is intrigued by them. I just wanted to say I will be unboxing these a few at a time just because there are so many. I'm gonna unbox these 2 at a time. Just wanted to show you the huge stash I got. Okay, moving right along. So, oh, there's definitely some different stuff in here. Okay, right off the bat, I see an adorable tumbler. It says best dog, and I have a dog. So cute. It retails for $14.99, and it looks like there's another one in here. It says rescue mom. Oh, these are perfect for me. My dog is like my baby. Aw. Look at these adorable little mini ornaments that retail for $10. We have mini Christmas trees, so those will come in handy. Look at this! A wooden advent calendar where you can put in your own little treats with these little drawers that pull out. You can't really fit anything in there unless you put a secret, like a note, like your gift is hidden here. $15, and this almost looks like it's wood, like you can finish it, like you could color it. So cute. This is what is this? A mini tree topper. Retails for $5. My kiddos do have mini trees, so that will come in handy. What is this? A banner, peace and joy. Oh, it's kind of a wood grain. I like it. Neutral. I like the neutral. Retails for $10. Oh, it's like cardboard, but still, it is really pretty. I could hang that on the fireplace. What's this? Oh, cute. Okay, more tiny treasures. These are mini ornaments retailing for $5. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I've gotten these. These are the table scatters, $5. Wooden poinsettias. Again, ooh, there's some glitter ones in there. It's hard to tell. It's great if you're having a party. Looks like there's more. Ooh, these are different. Still wooden scatter, but holly berries, and it looks like reindeer. Very cool. Retail $5. What is this? This is a DIY wood kit retailing for $5. The pickup truck with the Christmas tree. You paint them and looks like stick a photo in there. Adorable. What is this? T-shirt. A t-shirt. A random t-shirt at Christmas. Let's see. Let me tell you about my best friend. Aw, it's definitely a pet theme. They must have carried a pet line this holiday season. This t-shirt is an adult small and retails for $10. So cute. What's this one? Oh my goodness. This is awesome. This is so heavy. This is Santa's here. It's a little calendar countdown, but it's a tree. It's a stocking holder. How much is this? Let's see. $30. Wow, this is great. This is a good score. This is nice. I like this. Cute little wooden door stopper. Santa, please stop here. The door handle, it retails for $10. It's the year of the dog. This is little paw prints. You can paint. And it says $7, which I think retails for, let's see, there's another one. Yeah, $5 US for this. And looks like they have more. These are little houses. Again, same situation. $5. $5. They're great little crafts. More what they're calling table scatter. $5. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. This says Merry Christmas. Glass, hand blown glass ornament for $15. Wow, did they? Okay, so they gave one. This is so cute. This is a looks like a pug, right? What is this? Pet and Me jewelry Oh my goodness, this retails for $10. And it looks like you wear the necklace and it says Forever Friends, and then you put the charm on your dog's collar. Oh my gosh, if I did this, my husband would just make so much fun of me, but I might do it just for fun. Okay, this is so cute, $10. What is this? This brick and pebble roads set up to, oh, okay, this is for those little towns that you can buy, and you roll this out and it's like brick road and a pebble road. Retails for $7. Okay. I have gotten this faux fur ribbon now in 3 boxes. This one is gorgeous. It's like a brown, oh, it's so soft. It doesn't make a mess. And I know these retail for $15. Look at all this ribbon you get. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. What is this? This is reverse sequin sticker. Oh, okay, can't do it. You know what I'm talking about. You do this and it changes image and it looks like the penguin and it looks like snowflake, and so cute. Oh, let's see how much they retail. $5. Big stickers. We have an angel ornament. $3. Put a name there. What is this? This retails for $2, and this is a jumbo highlighter. Wow, that's cool. For a stocking stuffer. Very cool. A little F on a stocking for like a baby. Retails for $5. Probably donate that. Our First Christmas 2019 retails for $6. This is heavy. This is like made out of nice silver and really heavy glass. $6. Our First Christmas, again, 2019. Sadly, that would not work. My husband and I have been together 20 years, so. But Best Friends 2019. They really had a pet theme going this year. Here's the paws. Maybe put your pet in there. Oh, I see some more angels. 3 more angels. Retailing for $3 each. Cute. This is adorable. This is adorable. It's like a wooden craft that you can put anywhere. Retails for $14. This is adorable. I would totally buy this. This is so cute. Love it. What a good score. I have to say, this is probably my favorite box so far. This is a huge pen, retailing for $2. A stocking stuffer. It's got the doggies on it. The pet theme. Strong pet game this year. Oh my goodness. This says Letters to Santa. Can y'all see that? Letters to Santa. You can put them in there and then take them out. Heavy wood craft, retailing for $20. This was a great box, actually. I really liked it. There's a lot of stuff in here I'm going to keep. So let me add this stuff up and see what a score this one was for $4. This box had a total of 36 items for a retail value of $295. With a coupon, it would be $236. I paid $4. It's a deal. Let's move on. Okay, y'all, let's unbox another one. Ooh, this one looks like it is full of fun stuff. Okay, so let's start off with, looks like a 10-piece cookie cutter set. Retails for $10. Great gift. I love these little silicone molds. I've gotten these in boxes before, and I do know Michaels changes up the design every year, which is really nice, and I have not gotten these. These are really adorable. Little penguin in a scarf and a hat. You can make fudge, ice, candy, etc. out of these. These retail for $5 each, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Who doesn't love foam stickers? So cute. And these are candy canes and candy gumdrops, retailing for $8. Here's another pack of stickers. Looks like another pack. I think I see a smaller pack of just some gumdrop stickers. And these retail for $3. Let's see. This is a craft tube kit. Makes 12 crafts. Retails for $8. Pretty sure I'm going to donate this. Here's another one, it looks like, to the elementary schools. 24. Each kid can make one. I think there's less than 24 kids in the classes there. I don't know. Oh, there's even more. 36. $8. So 3 of those. Oh, gotten these before. These are treat bags. So cute if you're making treats for neighbors or friends or teachers. $5 each, and 1, 2, 3. Each one has 18 bags in it. So you make a lot of treats with these. More stickers. More gumdrops. Retailing for $3 each. Another little craft set. This is a foam craft kit. Makes 2. Retails for $4. This is, oh, you know, this is so nice. This is so soft. It's like a faux fur ribbon. It's like Santa's belt. Retails for $15. I love this, actually. It's not glittery. It doesn't make a mess. This is really great. I'm excited about this. It's awesome. Okay. Now let's grab some more. I see stickers. Looks like we have some cookie cutters, individual ones. These retail for $2 each. Cute little gingerbreads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is not a gingerbread. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is so cute. It is like the truck with the tree in the trunk. The pickup. So cute. Love it. And also $2. Okay. More of these, just what I need. I actually don't. I have like 75 of these. These retail for $3 each. Ornament hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more boxes. I've gotten these in other boxes. You'll see if you watch all the unboxings. Michaels, if you're watching this, I would not stock these up so much because they don't look like the big sellers. More stickers. Cute. $8. Oh, these are different. Little kitty cats. I'm a kitty cat lover. $8. Let's see. Some foam shapes. Reindeer antlers. Also $8. Has 30 of them. Let's see what this is. Table scatter. Oh, this is cool. These are like little wooden poinsettia plants, and you just, scatter them on the table for decor. Retail $5. What is it? Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. These are little slippers. It's an ornament. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so cute. $10. So cute. I will be hanging this on my tree. Let's see. This is a felt advent calendar, and it retails for $10. It is pretty big. It is cute. It's like a little countdown to Christmas. You can hang it up, and then you hang up the ornaments. Adorable. Adorable, adorable. Another random cookie cutter for $2. Oh, can't forget more of these. What is this? Oh, pretty little angel foam stickers, $3. And a cookie cutter set, 10-piece for $10. Makes a great gift. This was a crafter's delight box, I would say. So let me add up the total and see how we did. This box I'm calling the Crafter's Delight because it was filled with tons of crafting goodies. It had 45 items with a retail value of $216. With a coupon, it would be $172.80. Again, I paid $4. Such a deal. Thank you, Michaels, for doing this. So to recap, these two boxes had 81 items with a total retail value of $511. With a coupon, it'd be $408.80 out the door. That's 98.5% off since I only paid $8. I am so appreciative that Michaels does this. Not only is it a great deal for people who want some beautiful Christmas decor for pennies, it really is such less waste on the environment. So I commend Michaels for doing this, and y'all, if you have the opportunity to grab these, grab them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like saving money, be sure to check out my website where you can play hundreds of games for parties, baby showers, events, wedding, bridal, bachelorette, wine. That is all. Seriously, wine for gifts, for business, holidays. Got organizing, planning, gift giving, and so much more. This is only a very small sampling of everything that I have on there. It's Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. I will link it below. Thanks y'all so much, and take care. Bye-bye.